you. Welcome to my channel. This is Aparna from Aparna's Home TV. I hope you are having a good day. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me, and you will see a new video every Thursday, guys. I will make sure that I'll get one video up every Thursday. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Spread the knowledge, guys. That's what I want. Okay, anyway, in today's video, I want to talk to you about a messy recipe. Really messy, but it's worth the mess, guys. I'm literally telling you, once you try it, you will say it's worth every mess that it makes. First, coffee, guys. It's called milk halwa, or you can pass it off as kalakal. And let me get you one more thing. It's like very easy recipe, guys. If I can make it, you can definitely make it. Please, 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 please try it. And I'm telling you, one bite, you will say this is like magic. I'm telling you. I got this recipe from my good friend Mulai, who runs a blog called Spice India Online. Check her out. She has a very good blog, but it's her recipe. Okay, let's not waste time and get to the recipe. And one main thing is, it will take half an hour from start to finish. That includes cleaning, guys. It's that easy. I'm telling you, you need to try it, guys. Please, 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 for me, once try it. If I'm wrong, you can never watch me again. I'm literally challenging you. You will come back and tell me it's that good. Please try it, guys. I hope you enjoy the recipe. So let's not waste time and let's get to the recipe. Let's look at the ingredients first. So first we need a nice glass bowl, big enough so that the milk won't boil over. And the main ingredient is condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. You're not going to add any sugar, so this is going to help with the sugar. And the next ingredient is ghee. You need 9 teaspoons of ghee. This is the measurement. And the last ingredient is yogurt. You need 3 tablespoons of yogurt. This is the measuring spoon. I put 3 tablespoons of yogurt. And you need a microwave to make this switch. So let's look at how we make it, and let's start. Let's start by pouring the condensed milk into this bowl. I just emptied the can of condensed milk. Now I am going to add 3 tablespoons of yogurt and 3 teaspoons of ghee. So let me add that. One. Don't be scared, guys. It will turn out good. 2. And 3. Done with yogurt. I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of ghee. Measuring spoon so that I know for sure I'm using the correct amount. 1, 2, and 3. Now mix nicely. It should be well mixed, guys. Don't be scared. Mix nicely until it's thoroughly mixed. It's going to be yummy. We are going to microwave it for 4 minutes exactly. So let's put this in microwave. Let's take it. And on it. Start. It's cooking for 4 minutes. I'll show you after 4 minutes. Four minutes are done. Let it rest for a minute before you take it out, and make sure you use a towel to take it out because it's going to be very, very hot, guys. Okay. Use a towel to take it out. I'm trying to take this out. One hand is on camera and the other hand is taking this out. So let's hope I don't drop it. It's hot, guys. Don't over mix it, just like a gentle swirl. It will appear slightly curdled. Don't worry about it, just mix nicely. Can you see the brown spots? It will be really, really tasty, guys. Don't worry about anything and just mix nicely. And add 2 teaspoons of ghee now. One and 2. Put it back in the microwave and microwave for 2 minutes. Not 4 minutes, guys, just 2 minutes. I'll show you after 2 minutes how it is. Two minutes are done. Let it sit for 1 minute and then you can take it out. It made a mess, but that's okay because the sweet is going to be delicious. So it's okay. So let's take it out. Can you see that color is changing? It's becoming brown. It will be really tasty, guys. Mix nicely. You can see that the bottom part is browning up. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee again. And microwave it for 2 minutes again. I hope I don't drop this. Nope, I don't want to drop my yummy sweet, but it's hard to handle it with one hand. Here we go. Made it. Microwave it for 2 minutes, guys. Another 2 minutes done. Let it sit for 2 more minutes and you are going to keep it for 1 more time and it will be done. Time to take it out, guys. Mix it nicely. add last 2 teaspoons of ghee. And microwave it for last 2 minutes, guys. You're done. Last microwave is done. I'll show you, let it rest for a minute and I'll show you, and then we'll see. Here is the last batch of microwaving, guys. I'll show you the finished products after I clean up the microwave and it's well rested. I'll transfer it to a bowl and show you how it looks. Sweet has rested for almost 10 minutes while I clean the microwave, and this is the finished product, guys. It's like melting in the mouth, guys. I'm just telling you, make this for your guests and they will think like you spent hours and hours and hours in the kitchen while you spent only 10 minutes of cooking and 10 minutes of cleaning. I cleaned for only 10 minutes, guys. Look how clean it is. And it's like so tasty, you won't believe it. 1 can makes this much. It will be enough for like 2 adults and 2 kids for 2 days and done. Sometimes you need to enjoy these delicacies, guys. You need to make this for kids so that they can taste this. It's really delicious, guys, and it's under 15 to 20 minutes and you're done. People will think like you cooked for hours and hours for this. Please try it and leave your comment in the comment section. I would be happy. Sorry about that. I would be happy to see your comments, and don't forget to subscribe and come back for more. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching me, guys. Bye.